I have made over 40,000 naira from this particular platform. I am going to go to my withdrawal history right now and show you all my withdrawal records so that you see that I have actually made up to 40,000 naira from this platform. So I'm going to click on withdraw right here. If I click on withdraw, I will click on withdrawal history, which is this icon on the top right hand side. So once I click that, it is going to show me all my withdrawal records. As you can see here, let me start from here. This was the first one, 15,000 naira, and as you can see the status here, paid. This is 15,000 naira, and this is paid, the status, and this is 6,800 naira, and this is the status, what, paid. And this is the last one I cashed out, which is 6,000 naira, and this is the status, which is what, paid, right? So all this money, if I calculate them, it is up to 40,000 naira, right? So I made this money from this particular website called Coty app, right? So if you want to register and start making money for yourself, check out the first link in the video description to create your account. Once you click the first link in the video description, it is going to take you to this page right here. So once you come to this page, the first thing you are going to do is to enter your phone number right here. Once you have entered your phone number, you enter your password, which you are going to be using to log into this platform. Then under nickname, you enter your nickname right here. Select a nickname for yourself, right? Once you have done that, then you go down to phone password. Listen very carefully. Under phone password, enter up to 6-digit numbers, right? No alphabet, just enter any 6-digit number. Then once you have done that, you come down here and click create account. Once you click this button that says create account, your account will be created successfully, right? So once your account is created successfully, you can come here under invest, click on invest, and you are going to see different plans you can invest on, right? This plan right here costs 3,850 naira, and you earn daily income of 3,190 naira, and at the end of 49 days, you are going to get this total amount right here, which is 156,310 naira, right? This is for the first plan right here. If you scroll down, you see the next plan right here, right? This is the next plan right here, which will cost 10,925 naira, and on daily basis you earn 9,180 naira, as you can see here. Then at the end of 49 days, all these plans will last for 49 days, right? So at the end of the 49 days, this is the amount you are going to earn at the end of 49 days. So you can go ahead and check all of them out and decide on which one you can register for, right? So if you want to test this platform, you can go ahead, you can start from the first plan, which is 3,850 naira, to see how this platform actually works. If you want to deposit money on this platform, you can see the recharge section, right? So click on recharge, then deposit money in your account, purchase a plan, and you start earning money for yourself on daily basis. If you want to get updated with my videos on how to make money online in Nigeria, go ahead and like this video, click the subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also turn on that notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you will be the first to get notified by YouTube.